I said when I put this on the wish list, this and the next thing, if they were bought, you would be making them.
Me?
Yes. I would. There's enough in there for me to have a go as well, but mainly you'll be making them. And it is make your own unicorns. Out of Play-Doh.
Okay.
So you've been watching Nailed It. You know how to work with fondant.
I'm familiar with what Play-Doh is, yeah. Weird as that
sounds. What could go wrong?
Even when I grew up in the olden days on the fucking moon, we still had Play-Doh.
Well, this is super dough. I assume that's down to...
Can you put them in the oven and bake them?
Various things. No, surely not. No, you just dry them for 24 hours.
Oh, and they go off on their own.
And they go off on their own, yes.
Okay, let's have a look at the back, please.
So that's the that's what you're supposed to do.
We ain't doing all of that.
What do you mean we're not doing all of that?
Oh, look at all the steps.
Do you not want
That
a
looks
unicorn?
easy.
That
Yes.
looks easy. All right, well, we'll see. If you like the sound of that, let us know in the comments section. The cat's
a cat
back.
has returned.
Just in time for mould and paint dinosaurs.
Oh, yeah, that's right up my alley.
I thought you'd like these. These are fridge magnets. That's the Cass fridge magnets.
Frig magnets.
Fridge magnets. And they're definitely historically accurate.
I've been called a... Hello, baby. I've been called a frig magnet.
Libby's going to look inside the bee hotel. Even though...
bees.
That's... No.
Is there bees?
No bees for the cat. So...
Okay, so you're actually given moulds for this one, though?
Yes. Yeah. Look, moulds, plaster, and paint.
Okay, well, I'm just saying that some of the unicorns might end up being dinosaurs.
What?
Just chucking it out there.
This has been sent in by your dear friend, Rug. So,
Ruggsticles.
yes, because the agreement was if she sent it to us, you would do it. So
Why are you making agreements without me?
because it's fun.
You're fucking up the focus. Keep going up and down.
Sorry.
Libby's not helping.
Libby! Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Tongue Master sausage making kit.
Oh my god.
How ridiculous is this? So
Look.
you can just buy this.
It's
or
a swear machine.
you just
So you're saying I can
buy that.
put whatever I want into my sausages? Is that what you're saying? I can make... Oh look, we were saying about tongs the other day.
Oh,
about me
shit.
getting new tongs.
Well, we don't need to now because there's I mean, Libby, no, darling.
You want a cat sausage? Libby's a party sausage.
We make it out of your cat sausage.
I don't think cats taste very good.
No,
with
I
being,
don't think so too.
Apex predators and all.
Oh, so these are the sausage mixes. So this is the spice that you would add to the minced meat and so forth.
So it doesn't contain. You don't have your own mint.
No, you bring mint. You bring mint.
Whoa, Libby!
You bring mint to the table, Libby. All we need to make several different types of sausages. 6 different types of sausages.
6 different wieners.
Yeah, and if you want to get 20% off at tonguemaster.co.uk, you can use the code British Barbecue. Libby, I know it smells of meat, but not now.
Libby, do you like sausages?
I think we've got a chef's apron here.
Amazing.
Or a chef's...
Is it a hat?
Chef's clothing. It's a bib. We've got a proper apron.
Dress me up like a giant cock and make me make sausages.
Yes, I am. So if you like the sound of that, for Make Your Own, let us know.
Okay, I'm the sausage master.
You will be. I'm going to get you a hat. Because I don't think there's a hat in here, so I'm going to buy you a fucking hat.
Oh,
It's
good.
Brilliant.
You're eating my sausage whether you like it or not.
This feels like the start of a very weird fan fiction. Anyway, so we have more food-related things for potentially cooking with hand, whatever we want to call it.
Sweet Christ!
I know. So this is the other thing Kath bought me. It's cross stitch, although it's quite basic cross stitch, so I probably won't do a video. I might just do it. We have this limited edition 500-piece jigsaw that is for W.H. Smith through the decades that I definitely didn't pinch from the office because it wasn't wanted.
I've no idea why someone wouldn't want that.
I know, right?
Oh my god, how lame.
Well, I like a little bit of a puzzle.
It's not but it's not even a lovely picture.
It's not. It's not really, is it? But I thought I'd have a little go, you know. If all else fails, we'll go to a charity shop.
Yeah.
That's not a cooking thing.
Well, I just want, as you've mentioned charity shop, can I just talk to you about restraint and how I have displayed restraint? Because in our local supermarket is a little table of
all those
and
books.
And I did not pick up the Indiana Jones trilogy in VHS.
We haven't got a VHS tape.
That's besides the point. But I didn't do it.
Good.
So I want acknowledgement for being good.
Well done. Well, can we get some acknowledgement in the chat? Because, sure. Moving swiftly on. Anyone want some gin?
Yes.
We also have a small gin, which is basically the same thing but a tiny version. I may give that away to a friend, actually, because there's no point in having the artisan making kit and then the ultimate making kit. This one will make 8 bottles.
But you have to provide your own gin, right?
Vodka.
What?
Well, yes.
Gin's not made out of vodka.
Well, it is on Sandy Leaf Farm, so if you want to see that go wrong, let us know.
That's bizarre.
Oh, 8 botanical recipes, including dark chocolate, Christmas, pink zinger, citrus explosion.
So is it just putting stuff in vodka and shaking it? Because I was doing that when I was 15.
Well, you were infusing it a little
you
bit.
Put some Skittles in a vodka bottle or a Mars bar in a vodka bottle and shake it.
We should make Skittle gin whilst we're doing this.
Gin's made from quince, isn't it? And
look, save it for the gin video, all right?
I've already started my gin rant.
Oh God, we've got a friend as well. Same friend, same Tess with the sausages.
Sausage Tess.
Sausage Tess, that is her name. Who apparently used to know her shit on gin. So maybe we should invite her along to try our lovely gins. I look forward to her dying out of the horrible things that we're making, but this looks cool. Actually, before I show you the next one, we may as well stay with the alcohol. Hedgerow wine making.
That's interesting.
Now, there is a book on the wish list about foraging in bushes, and I said if someone bought it...
Pulling out Durex wrappers and bloody KFC bags.
Here comes the cat again. Recipes included, right? Apple, sour, apricot, banana, beetroot, blackberry. Bananas in the hedgerow! Pineapple, plum, raisin, pear, orange, mango, lemon, honey mead, elderflower, gooseberry, rosehip, sloe. Why? Hang on a minute, there better be a sloe gin recipe in the gin one.
Well, that's just sloes and gin. There's no recipe. It's gin and sloes and sugar.
So we can make some fruit wine. So if people like the sound of that, let us know.
Okay.
If not, I will hold off for when we have the associated book and then film a thing which involves me going in a hedge. Yes, you sit down there and guard the wine.
She's guarding the bee hotel.
I think she thinks there's little things in it.
There are, there could be.
It's very cat appealing, all these little holes.
There could be little things that live in there.
Unfortunately, there's a back on it, so I can't stick anything through the holes and play. But she's enjoying it, aren't you, darling? Yes. Right. We then have... We're not straying too far away from the food, but we then have artisan cheese making kit.
Oh my God.
It makes 20 types of cheese. Excited to make your first cheese? All you need is this kit. 4 litres of milk, an hour and a kitchen.
4 litres of milk?
Yeah.
Wow.
It says on the back, gluten-free, suitable for vegetarians, lots of fun, smiley face. So,
fun with cheese.
This is by a company called Cheese Monkey. They make halloumi, feta, Cheshire, cottage cheese, mozzarella, paneer, goat cheese, ricotta, mascarpone. We can make up to 20 cheeses.
It makes all of those?
It says you can make them. I don't know if it does let
How
you make all of them.
How do we make goat's cheese out of milk?
How
do we make goat's cheese out of cow's milk, rather? Let me just recast that question, because...
I don't know. But what I will say is they're all very similar in texture, aren't they? Cottage cheese, feta, mozzarella, paneer.
Cheesy.
Well, they're all quite soft cheeses.
Paneer. It's making me think about curry.
Well...
I'd like a curry.
We ain't got a curry, but I tell you what, if you went and got some milk, we could knock together some paneer now. You'd think that was all the food stuff's done, right?
Mm-hmm. I'd hope, anyway.
You'd be wrong. Because last but not least, just checking around, but this is the last but not least, we have fudge. In my kitchen.
Gourmet fudge.
So we can make some gourmet fudge.
So we've got gourmet gin, gourmet
ultimate
cheese.
gin, hedgerow wine, cheese, fudge.
Gourmet cheese.
Gourmet cheese, yeah. Well, no, artisan cheese. That's the magic word.
And I'm the artisan.
Yeah. And I'll do the fudge. In my kitchen.
Will you now?
I will. It will make after dinner mint, eaten mess, and mocha choker delicious fudge in 30 minutes. Just
not mocha choker. Fucking hell.
I don't know why they've called it mocha choker. Mocha choker.
Some choking chocolate.
Just call it mocha. We know what the fuck that is. Just add whipping cream apparently. Oh look, different coloured turds.
That makes human poos.
There are 3 more things. We're off of the food. The fudge was the last one. Mm-hmm. But we have a few assembly things that have been sent to us. This first one is an owl.
Brilliant.
Woodcraft owl. I think this is from Blake. It wasn't on the wish list, but
we got it anyway.
Well, basically the PO box / office address is where everything goes. So if you do spot anything on Amazon, or you see like weird
other mail order sites are available.
Yeah, kits and shit like that. You can send it to the office address, and I'll pick it up. And that's what I think it was Blake did. So thank you for that.
I'm just having a sip of tea if it goes wobbly.
The last 2 things I want to show you, we're going to kind of rope in together because these in itself probably deserve their own mini-series, just because of the sheer amount of time and energy. I see you despairing already. It's mainly going to be me doing these, but we have the wonderful, I don't know how the lighting's going to be, DIY miniature house.
You tilt it this way a bit more?
Yep.
And a bit more?
Yep.
And a bit more? There you go, the light, reflection of the light's gone away.
Fab. So we have these kits. Now, I have it on good authority from Nerd Cubed, who does a lot of miniature builds, that the build time is a massive lie and it's quite a lot longer. However, these are really cool. You make everything from scratch.
Cool.
You're like, what?
There's just a different definition of the word cool than the one I traditionally associate with things that are cool.
I know, but what can I say? I like that. Do you know what? As a kid,
Dolly torture.
As a kid, I had a doll house with all the little stuff in, and I was really into.
Well, that explains why you're such a control freak. Bum bum bum.
Yeah. Well done. I'm really into like miniature little things. So like, it's for example this chair on the top.
Is that because you're only little yourself? Are you going to move in there? You're going to move in? But you can't wait to make that chair and put your feet up.
Fuck off! If you look, can you see that? It's like it has all the component parts and then you make it. So basically you're making the entire damn thing.
You can put that in your new kitchen, can't you?
Can you fuck off? It's a range.
What country produced it, please?
It comes actually from China.
What a surprise!
Which is why it doesn't have any batteries included in it. So you do need to supply 2 watch batteries for this one.
Oh.
However,
little button cells.
This one has been made in the UK and has the batteries in it. We'll come back to this in a minute because this.
Well, you may as well just sashay into it.
Oh god, okay.
What else can we say about Soho prostitutes flat in miniature?
It's not prostitutes. Are you setting up an entire backstory for the DIY miniature house?
Apparently.
Do we need to find a small woman to put in it?
I found one.
Miles, the Spider-Man, he'll fit in there.
Miles will fit in there, yeah.
Yes, it's Miles' apartment. So this is from Imagine 3D, which is a UK company. I'm already loving the branding. The packaging is lovely. And they've got some very fancy pictures on the background. Etsy. It is very Etsy, isn't it? But
Other
I will
websites are available.
Yes, what I will say is if you do want to go and look at Imagine 3D stuff, be aware it is on Amazon and their website is asking for like twice the price of Amazon. So make sure you shop around if you want to pick up things like the miniature houses, because depending on which one you get, they could be wanting 50 quid or 15 quid.
Oh, that is quite a difference, isn't it?
So yeah, this one, actually this doesn't include the batteries as well. So basically, it makes sense. It makes.
You said.
I thought it did.
You said.
I thought it did.
You made a big song and dance about how it had the batteries.
Because I thought that they were only shipping it within the UK, but actually it does make sense not to have the batteries in there because then it means that you can ship it worldwide. But I really like this one because it is a greenhouse. And I just like it. Look at that. I really like that.
Can you angle it? There you go. Yeah, that's the angle.
I'm very excited about this one, which is quite sad. But there's an entire goddamn range of these. So, you're right, farty elbows. So if people like the look of these, they can become a mini-series in their own. What I think we're going to do is, I'm going to probably start with the greenhouse, and that's going to be a separate thing to the usual make your own. And what's in the box.
We're going to have a special playlist for dolly torture.
I think so, and I think the best way we can do this is we start by just making a video.
Can I shoot my own claymation dramas using the houses as a set when we're finished?
Yes. I don't know when we open it whether it's going to be like step 1, make the greenhouse.
Step 1, get sand for glass.
Step 2, make one plant, or whether it's going to be a bit more vague.
There are some plants in there.
Yeah, but I don't know how it wants us to do it.
Pull the focus.
So what I was going to say is
there a different picture on the back?
There's only this. So there's a little bit, but not a lot.
Oh, look at that. So if I can get it to focus. There you go. Look, there's a little light. Batteries not included.
Yep.
Requires 2 CR2032 batteries not included.
Which is watch batteries, isn't it? This is everything you guys have sent in so far. It's amazing, like ridiculously so. Thank you so much. I mean, the Tong Master is down on the floor.
I'm the Tong Master.
So visualise that as well.
You are the sausage keeper.
And yeah, we're really excited to be just ploughing through all this stuff. So if you see anything that you really, really, really like, let us know in the comment section. Give other people's comments a thumbs up as well. I will be popping some polls out in the community tab area, but also on Twitter, to try and narrow down what we're going to start with. But I think we're looking at, let us know what you want us to do from the food and drink first, from elsewhere first, and then also stay tuned for a video on the greenhouse where we will be, as a community, working out what the heck we're doing. We hope you guys have enjoyed this. We hope it has opened your eyes to some of the ridiculous shit you can get on Amazon, especially cheese baking kits, fudge and all that stuff, and these things. Yeah, thank you for all your support over the last couple of months. It's been super cool, and I'm really, really excited to see where 2019 is gonna go on the channel. I'm gonna put the bee house down.
And in general.
And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think about all this stuff. And we'll see you next time with something from here on what's in the box. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye.